Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA ignition replacement distributor cap kit that fits several Mercruiser engines as well as some GM V8 engines with the Thunderbolt 4 or Thunderbolt 5. Now this kit includes the actual distributor cap, which you can see here with the spark plug wire connections on it here. It includes the distributor rotor, which actually goes inside of here and is actually what spins and provides spark to the distributor cap. It includes a new gasket for securing and sealing the distributor cap to the engine, and it includes new bolts and a new vacuum connector here. The installation of this distributor cap is pretty straightforward. You remove the factory parts, you reinstall these in the reverse order. Now, if you guys have any questions about the particular kit, if it'll fit your specific application, or any questions about installing it, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be glad to help.